what I look like proving shit to you. I've been fly so long, nobody ever taught me, just got up and flew. I know what I know before I know it, knowing it ain't nothing new. Go on me, 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 go on me.
Yeah, where we at, Aaron?
Go on me.
Rolling. Look at this beam I'm possessing. This gleam that a king is addressing is next to celestial excellence. Niggas can never get next to this textual blessing. That's why I'm oppressing and flexing. I know I'm shining, soul blinking. I know I'm blinded. I maneuver. I know I'm Heimlich. I can save a nigga with this aura I got. So don't clock me. I know I'm timeless. My ego 1,000 is keeping me deep in my prowess. I'm seeking for peace and I scour to see that beneath. I've been keeping my feet in knee deep in the B-U-T-T of you cowards. Look at this glow I got. This how I got. Okay, I was naming a few things that I know I got. Bitch ass, hoe ass, slow ass, weak ass. Okay, nigga, there was a few things that I know I'm not. I'm blazing, nigga. My chakra is crazy, nigga. I love me. I'm my favorite nigga, and I'm fresh to death. I spend my days at the cemetery trying to see if I can get my grave to dig at the pavement that I've been pacing, the paving ways with footsteps of amazing grace. Is still laid for you lazy niggas. The way I'm glowing is shocking. I fuck around and tase a nigga. Fuck, I'm wrong.
Go on me, 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 go on me. Heard him talking, never heard him say a thing.